In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up an amazing live video with a countdown clock. What the countdown clock does is it adds urgency to your offer. So you can use a live video as an advertisement to get people from your Facebook fan page over to your website. This fan page is not a real fan page, and the store that I'm linking to is not my store. I'm just using this as an example of how you can set it up on your own. So now the first thing you should do is go over to a site called livereactionspoll.com. Once you're here, go to Create Now. What livereactionspoll.com is, it's a free website that allows you to create Facebook Live reaction polls. So I'm just going to jump in. So just start by clicking Create Now. This is a free software, but they do ask for donations if you use their software. It's extremely easy to use. I've used a lot of different software creating these live reaction polls, and this is by far the easiest software to use. It's so straightforward. So first, just enter an access code. So what you want to do is click Get Access Token. Then when you're here, when this loads up, go over to the page that you wish to put it on. So for this example, I'm going to use the Yoga Panda page. And then you just want to copy this access token. You can close down this page and then just paste it in here. Then for your post ID, just click Get Post ID. And again, just find the page that you want to post your live video on. So for this one, I'm going to do Yoga Panda again and click Next. And then you want to click Go Live. Then once you get onto this page, click this icon here in the top right corner and click on Embed. And then just copy to clipboard and click OK. You can minimize this page and just paste it in here. You'll see this changed to a number. That's all okay. And then the next thing you move on to is your counters. So again, you can put in an image under any of these. But for this example, I'm going to go just the counters only. So it's just going to show one like button. But again, you can click as many of these counters as you want so that it counts up the likes you get, the loves you get, the ha-has, any of these. You can click them all and it will show your reactions in your live video. So I'm just going to scroll down. Again, I'm not going to select a background image here because we're going to do this over on OBS. It's much more simple this way. So then I'm just going to click Include Countdown for this one. And then you just have to set an end date. So just for this example, I'm just going to set today. Today at 2 o'clock, and then just scroll down and I'm going to include a shout out box which just shows the recent comments. Again, you can play around with this and get it to show multiple comments or as many display time as you want, but I'm just going to scroll down and that's okay for this example. So once you've then entered there, I'm just going to click on preview. Then just click Got It. Then you can play around with this here. This will all change in a moment anyway. So then you want to do is click Go Live. Then you can click Done. And this is what's going to show on OBS with a transparent background. So what you want to do now is just copy this URL and paste it over in OBS. So I'm just going to open up OBS Studio and open up a new source and click on browser source. Then click OK. You can make sure this is ticked, make source visible. Then just change this URL, paste. So I'm going to go 640. Then you can just leave all the rest the same. You don't need to tick any of these. Just click OK. Then that's your source. And then next thing you want to do is add your image. So add whatever image you want behind this transparent countdown clock and like button. So I'm just going to click OK. Then you just browse through your files, pull your image from your desktop or wherever you have it saved. So I've just a sample image saved here, which is this one. And then just click OK. Then you can widen this out so that it fits to screen. Then you just want to bring this to the front. So clicking that brings this to the front, and then you want to play around with your source here. Then you can right click and click interact so that you can play around with this here. And again, you can put that wherever you want on your page. So just going to click down, and that's it. That's your countdown clock, your like button. But again, you can play around with this as much as you want. You can put it into this corner, you can make it bigger, you can make it smaller. All you need to do is right click on browser source, click interact. There you have it. You can play around with this here. You can make that bigger there. You can make that like so. And then just click the X when you finish, and this will set it for an hour. So you don't want to set it for too long, as this will create more urgency this way and get more people to buy. But for this example, this is fine. So I'm going to scroll down and click on settings. And go to stream. And the next thing you want to do is just add your stream key. So jump over to Facebook. Click on the page that you want to share it on. Click videos. And then click video library. Then go to live. Grab your stream key. Paste it over here. Click apply, then click OK. Then you can start streaming. Click next. It's going to pull up your stream. Then you can add your title to it. So just go over to your store, grab your offer, get your URL, copy it, go to Bitly, then just paste your link in here to shorten it. Grab your shortened link, back over to Facebook, then copy your title, paste it in here, put in a few tags. Whatever you want. Just put in whatever tags are suitable for your product here. Then we want to jump over to OBS and transition so that it comes up here, and we'll be able to see it over here in just a moment. And then just scroll down here and select Go Live. And that's it. That's just showing that it's live now. So I'll leave this page open. I'll jump over. So now I'll just jump over to the page. And as you see, there it is live. So we can see the live is covering this part. So I just want to change this. It's pretty simple. going to jump back. We should see this change. Just a moment. Refresh the page. There you see. That's how your live video is going to come up to all of your audience. So as you can see, this is an amazing way to advertise limited time offers to your Facebook fans. And again, you can feel free to just play around with this. You can change the colors on these timers, and you can set this like button bigger and put in like button, love buttons. You can add what you want to it, but this is just a basic example that shows you how you can really simply set up one of these limited time offers.